और अब मैं इंग्लिश में कन्वर्सेशन पेश करने के लिए दावत देने जा रहा हूँ हाफिज़ मोहम्मद मोहसिन, जिनका ताल्लुक़ कहरोड़ पक्का से है, और उन्हीं के साथ मोहम्मद हसनैन, जिनका ताल्लुक़ खानेवाल से है। वो आएँ और हमें इंग्लिश की कन्वर्सेशन सुनाएं।
Welcome, Mohsin.
Thank you.
How are you?
I am fine by the grace of Allah. What about you?
I am also fine by the grace of Allah. What do you do?
I am a student.
What do you study?
I study English language.
Where do you study?
I study in Jamia Darul Irshad wal Ihsan.
Where is located your madrasa?
It's located in Milla town, Faisalabad.
How old are you?
I am 15 years old.
How do you come to madrasa?
I come by walk. And what do you do?
I am also student.
What do you study?
I also study English language.
Why are you studying English language?
I am learning English because it is an international, official and educational language in today's world.
Nice. Have you memorized the Holy Quran?
Alhamdulillah, I have memorized the Holy Quran.
In which madrasa have you memorized the Holy Quran?
I have memorized the Holy Quran in Jamia Darul Quran Haqqaniya.
In how many years have you memorized the Holy Quran?
I have memorized the Holy Quran in 2 years. Do you know something about Pakistan?
Why not? It's my beloved country.
Nice. How many provinces are in Pakistan?
There are 5 provinces in Pakistan.
Good. How many weathers are in Pakistan?
There are 4 weather in Pakistan that make it more beautiful.
When Pakistan got independence?
It's got on 1947 AD and I always pray for Pakistan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Bye bye.
Bye.